Welcome to SOTG, my TikTok series wherein I will test out fragrances under extreme circumstances to test out their performance. Featuring HSI Motivational Dior Sauvage. I mean, come on. Kailangan ko pa bang explain si Dior Sauvage kung ano amoy niya? I think almost all of you guys already know the smell of Dior Sauvage. Pero yun na nga, we will test it and try kung kaya ba niyang magtagal on my rides day. So, Sunday is rides day. Punta ako sa Lingayen and I will try to use this kung magtatagal ba siya o hindi. So, since medyo maaraw kayo and I will go rides, I think I'll overspray. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. And yes, pawis na ako. Naka-jacket ako. Taka na. So, yun lang. Lagay tayo sa jacket. And as usual, sa hair. Yun lang, peace. Yun lang guys. Ito lang yung setup ko for video filming using my GoPro here. So, it's my first time actually. So, testin ko muna kung ano yung view and lahat. Kung sakto lang ba siya or do I need to adjust. Kasi, ewan ko. Meron ko to. Hassle, pre. Anyways, testin natin to. Let's go. Let's go! So, after the rides is huminto muna kami para kumain before going to the aircon shop. So yun, nagtingin kami ng aircon para sa apartment kasi mainit na talaga, ayoko na. First na ako eh. And yun, pumunta kami sa Novo para bumili ng mga gamit ulit. Pauwi na kami actually sa Dagupan yan since nag-aap na ako ng intercom, bumaba muna kami. So yun, you. Tamang trimmings lang, yun lang naman. And yun, we went straight to SM to go to Ian Darcy. Bumili ako ng pag-gift. And also to review na rin. So yun na nga, lang. Pumunta kami sa isang anime store to buy gift for my girlfriend kasi meron siya nabunot and gusto daw is anime. Then yun, chill muna kami. We went to a cafe. Tamang drinks lang. Anyways, say hi to HSI Dior Sauvage. Yo, this is Ubi Latte. Okay na. I can't say it's good pero okay naman na. Tapos punta kami pet store kasi gusto daw ng girlfriend ko ng hamster. And wala tayong choice. So, yun na nga. Bibili tayong hamster. And pinaprepare na. Anyways guys, meet Twitch, my new hamster. Nice. Scam na naman ng jowa no? Gold spar. Anyways, let's go. So, yun na nga. Nakauwi na ako and nakapag-edit na ako lahat. It is actually my first time editing those kind of videos by myself. Hindi kasi talaga ako nag-edit ng video o as possible I want it raw. But yeah, it's a vlog type of video. Anyways, enough talk about the video. Let's talk about the HSI, which is the most important one. For me, upon using it, it's actually average. I cannot say that it is good or bad. All I can say is average. Like, come on, it's a inspired perfume of Dior Sauvage. Dior Sauvage already gives that fuckboy vibes. I think if you're gonna use this for everyday use, it's good. The only downside of using Dior Sauvage is that it's kinda too common na. Same with Eros and Creed Aventus. Like everyone already has it. Sumusunod na rin si Ultramarine. Pero all I'll say is that the projection, it's there. The longevity, pwede na. All I can say is pwede na. It's all mid. Hindi siya ganun ka-beast mode. Hindi siya ganun ka-weak. It can project, but not that wide. It lasts long, around 3 to 4 hours. Well, considering na mainit kanina, okay naman siya. Sadyang, napansin ko lang around 3 hours, skin set na lang siya. You cannot smell it na malayo. Tinanong ko girlfriend ko na amin pa ba ako. Hindi na. So, I have to respray. Sadyang hindi ko lang na-videohan since, I became busy the whole day. But yeah, all I can say is HSI did a good job copying the Dior Sauvage. I can smell the citrusy bergamot scent. I love that. It is actually one of my favorite scent when it comes to perfumes. And Dior Sauvage, HSI did a really good job doing that. Kudos to them. And considering it's only 230 pesos to 300 pesos, what more can I ask, diba? Yun nga lang, when it comes to inspired perfumes, don't expect too much na sobrang mag-perform, sobrang magtagal. Come on, it's a common knowledge if you're using inspired perfumes, hindi ka na magtatagal. Anyways, yun lang. It's been a long day, it's been a long time since I created an SOTD. Sana gusto ninyo, and comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo i-SOTD ko next time. And please, wag ultra mail, utang na loob. Umaga ako nag-SOTD, hindi ko siya magagamit ng umaga. So yun lang, bye.